Magpapakasal ka kasi in love ka. Eto, akin lang to. Do not marry because you're in love. Magpakasal ka when you're emotionally mature and financially stable. Love is not enough to build a healthy marriage. Marriage requires a lot of financial stability and emotional maturity. Kasi pag emotionally mature ka, alam mo kung ano yung palalampasin mo at alam mo kung ano yung i-confront mo. Hindi lahat pinagtutuunan ng pansin. Now, when you're financially stable, not necessarily mayaman ka, but you're earning a decent income. Kaya mo mag-provide. You'll know the joy of being able to meet the basic needs of your family. Yes, marriage is fulfilling only when both partners are committed to understanding, forgiving, supporting, encouraging, and tolerating one another. Yung compatibility namang sinasabi does not happen after 1 month of marriage. Mahabang panahon yan, taon, maybe 3 to 5 years or more before you both become perfectly compatible. You have to make up your mind bago ka magpakasal. You have to commit to make it work. Ito isang napakalaking desisyon. I would say a good marriage is a great achievement.